cook and give you whatever it is that I cook today.
Tell me what it is.
No, you will discover when it's made. Hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. We're starting off the vlog late today and real quick. The entire fam is up. It's a brand new day in JA, as I always say. Hope you guys are doing well on this wet and soppy day. So outside is so wet, it's so mucky outside. It's been lightning and thundering all day, so we have been inside, haven't been out. We close all our windows and our doors because the lightning outside, it ain't no joke in this part of the world. It's just splashing. The kids are here playing and I'm in the kitchen right now about to whip up dinner with my little assistant.
Hi guys, it looks like you're gonna do a soup.
No, I'm gonna cook dumpling that you haven't seen me cook in a while.
Dumpling, sweet potatoes, green banana, chicken. That doesn't look like a chicken soup.
No, I don't use banana in soup.
Oh, you don't put dumpling and banana in the
Dumpling,
soup?
but not banana. We put banana, but it's a special kind of soup to put banana in. It's called manish water.
Oh, you just cook
Or
them
pepper pots.
in the water.
Right.
You don't put them in the soup.
Right.
Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well too.
Mama?
Yes, Ty.
I want to tell you something.
What?
Sarakata.
Tarakaka?
Yes.
Papa, you're on diaper change duty. Because I'm in the kitchen.
Sarah.
Anyway, you guys, I'll show you guys the kids in a bit. But first, as you guys hear me just tell me what I'm cooking, you had no idea what I was about to cook. Because I feel to cook the green banana today, which I bought in the week. So I'm finally gonna cook the green banana today. And hold on, Tyler. Tyler loves boiled dumpling. So I'm going to cook boiled dumpling. And I'm gonna cook some sweet potato for babe and Tyler. And then I'm gonna cook some curry chicken. So today's vlog is gonna be quick and natty and cookie. Anyway, what you wanna tell me, Ty? Tyler, stop moving like that. Stand one place and talk to me.
Dumpling soup.
You want dumpling soup?
Yes.
Not today, but I'll make it for you next day, okay?
Oh, okay, so I'm just going to have rice and sauce.
No, I'm gonna give you dumpling but not soup.
Oh.
Dumpling and chicken.
And oxtail.
I'm not giving you oxtail today. But chicken, you get chicken, okay? You want oxtail?
Yes.
We didn't find any oxtail at the supermarket. That's why you're not getting any oxtail. So next day, come let the babes see you. Come say hello. You don't need this step, Ty. You don't need this step.
Wagwan, where you at?
Hey! Let me go now. Go back around there. Go back the step where it was.
Where you at?
Why you say my yacht?
Yeah. Where you at, my yacht?
Say wagalang.
Wagalang.
You guys, babe and I watching this series called D100, and I must say that is very good. I wasn't into it at first episode, like almost every series that we've watched, but it's wow, it's very good. It's doing well. So if you guys looking for a series to watch, D100 is good. Tyler, go back over there so you can wait on your sister to play with her when she comes.
I could cook the creator that I'm imitate.
I haven't cooked boiled dumpling in a long time. I couldn't tell the last time I cooked boiled dumpling or boiled bananas. But the fact that I'm making curry chicken, what is curry chicken without boiled dumpling? That's not possible. that no possible. You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
I'm repeating what you're saying.
So that's what going down in my kitchen.
That's what's going down in my kitchen.
Why? If you don't stop the noise though.
Why? If you don't stop the night though.
You play too much.
You play too much. I'm repeating what you're
He's a
saying.
little clown.
But a clown.
You're too funny.
You're funny.
No, you're funny.
No, you're
No, you're funny.
No, you're funny.
You're silly.
No, you're silly.
And as you guys hear, the oven just beat because I turned on the oven with the intention of making chicken in the oven. But then I changed my mind. So I need to turn off this oven though. I swear my child lose a screw in his head. I have my dutchie out and I am gonna curry chicken with my better pack curry. With me better pack, with me better pack, with me better pack. Come here, daughter. Come say hello to the face. And look how she's gonna cry when she to leave me.
Hello.
Say hello to
Hello,
the face.
hello, hello.
Back her up on the camera. Not so close. Mama. Mama. Say hello to the face. See the face there. Look up. Say hello. Say hi. Hi, hi, hi. Turn on the TV before you put her down. Get something from the fridge, please. Everything, onion, garlic, sweet pepper. Everything. Hello? Stop doing that. Big fierce. Me I wonder, me I see how wood is here. Me I see who this. So no, me not supposed to boast with him. We are not for him. After me now me supposed to boast with him. Look where I'm under. Look, you see? Rub it again, babe. Rub it again. Rub it again. Rub it again, no baby. Kiss it. Me supposed to boast with me man, not for him. You call me at a bad time cause you're busy. Alright, later. Put this in the sun. Cool. My cousin, doing.
Look how she's going to turn around.
Sarah, what brother doing to you?
She didn't recognize me.
Ty, you don't have to be screaming like that.
Just like if you're at
At the beach?
Yeah.
You're too funny. You're living your best life. Living your best life.
I just put my hands off. Go under the water.
Alright you guys, so in here, if you guys want to see how the method that I use to cook my curry chicken, it's one of the most viewed videos on my food channel. at Mel's Kitchen Jamaica. If you're not yet subscribed to my food channel, make sure you guys go ahead and do so. My food channel is awesome. So in here I just have better pop curry, some Jamaican jerk seasoning, powder seasoning, and assorted sweet pepper and onion and garlic, and I'm gonna drop a piece of thyme in there. And in my pot I have some vegetable oil, and I am not going to add any water to this unless it's necessary. All right, you guys, let me show you what the chef is cooking up right now. How's it going over here? Ground provision pataguan. Sweet potato look ready. Yeah, banana ready. Dumpling ready. Can turn this off now. We done here. Then over in this one I have some green beans and carrot going for a little veggie on the side. And over here, ooh, yeah boy, I have curry chicken. I add some water to that just now, and that bad boy is cooking. You guys, here goes dinner. This one is for Babe. You'll see the difference as you go along. This one is mine, and I can't wait. And I'm gonna stop talking and eat right now before my bananas get cold. And that's for Tyler. That is ready. The whole crew.
The whole crew.
You take off your mask. You guys, we're coming on to end today's vlog. Tyler, Jamaican expression.
Okay.
You guys know how happy he is when you do the expression. Okay, find one and read it and tell me what it says.
And
Yes, see me.
yes,
Ow.
see me.
Sarah slapped me in my eye.
Yes. Yes.
Ow.
See.
You. It's Y-U-H. Look at the word. It's Y-U-H.
Yes.
You. Zimmy. What? Spell the other word. Spell the second word.
See me.
Spell it.
S-I-M-I.
You see me.
You see me. You
You
see
see
me.
me. You see me. You think it mean you're silly?
Yes.
You see me. Think about
You
it.
see me.
You see me.
Yes, I see you.
Okay, it can mean that. If you see me. It can also mean
Like you got me.
me in agreement.
You see me like
You
get
in
it.
yes, like you get it. It can mean that. Tell her what it means. Sorry.
Do you understand me?
Right. Hey, baby.
Yes, good.
Yes, I can get it. Good
Yes,
job.
goodie.
Now the French expression.
What is the
What's
French
the French
expression?
expression?
What is the French
Miss
expression?
Busybody.
Mama need to get.
Okay, tell me what it is.
Tu sais quoi?
Tu sais quoi?
Tu sais quoi?
You know what?
That!
You get it.
Say, you know what? Mama, you know what? Because he's always saying that, so I have to know what it means by now. Tell her always, Mama, you know what? And he always say to Papa, Papa, tu sais quoi? Anyway, you guys, there you guys have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Yes.
Watch.
Watch.
What
Now
you
what-
need to
Look
do.
at Zara. Hey, get it, hey, get it, Zara. Hey, get it. You giving them a toothbrush?
No.
Leave it. anyway, you guys, that's where we're gonna end it for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the little vlog that we give you today. It wasn't much because we started vlogging late. We did nothing today apart from resting, and Sarah wanted to be a part of ending the vlog. We did nothing today apart from resting and watching TV and fool around. So
it was raining.
It was raining. We couldn't even go out. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up for efforts to giving you guys vlog every day, Monday to Friday. And if it's the first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam bam, and turn on your notification and hit that like button. If it ain't blue, you didn't like it. Okay, love you guys. See you guys tomorrow. Come say tomorrow. Tell face tomorrow. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. See you later.